Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Marble Canyon, a breathtaking natural wonder located in the heart of Kootenay National Park, British Columbia. This stunning canyon is renowned for its dramatic limestone cliffs and the vibrant turquoise waters of Tokum Creek, which have carved their way through the rock over millions of years. The canyon stretches for about 2.4 kilometers and offers visitors a glimpse into the powerful forces of nature that have shaped this landscape. The area was named by early explorers and settlers who were struck by the canyon's striking resemblance to marble. In 1920, Kootenay National Park was established, and Marble Canyon became one of its most popular attractions. As you explore Marble Canyon, you'll find a series of well-maintained trails and bridges that offer safe and easy access to the canyon's most impressive viewpoints. These paths allow you to get up close to the cliffs and appreciate the intricate patterns and colors of the rock. Whether you're here to hike, take in the stunning views, or simply enjoy the tranquility of the natural world, Marble Canyon is a must-visit destination in Kootenay National Park. Thanks for watching!